What's up people, welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video I'm going to show you the update that I received from Pinterest. So day before yesterday I made a video about Pinterest going ahead and suspending my account, and even though they went ahead and reactivated my account, there was not a clarification given by Pinterest that why exactly was the particular account being suspended. And so I reverted to Pinterest saying that I really want to know what exactly is it, because I went through the community guidelines and I was very much sure that I haven't violated any of them. So I wrote a particular email to them, and at that particular time they did not respond to my email. However, I have received a response from there, and I just wanted to show what was the reason. So moda it was basically just as a bot error which happened through Pinterest. And as I said in my previous video as well, if you go ahead and if you go ahead and upload a certain amount of pins, or maximum amount of pins, or let's say 20-30 pins, a bulk upload, there's a possibility that the Pinterest algorithm is going to trigger the system saying that your account is creating spam and your account might get suspended. What am I talking about? Just have a look at this particular email and you'll understand. Alright, so here we are basically on the mobile screen, and this is the email that I wrote to Pinterest. So basically I got a feedback survey from Pinterest's end that how did we do in terms of the customer service, and that's when I responded saying that the support on the social media platform Twitter wasn't helpful at all. That's because I wrote an email, I tweeted about it, and generally any brand, it has to be any brand, they go ahead and respond you back. But on Twitter, Pinterest did not do anything, and I was not able to help it out. So I wrote about the same. However, thanks for the email support. It would be a great help if you tell me what was the exact issue due to which my account was suspended, because I wanted to know about the exact reason due to which my account got suspended, because I went ahead and I checked out the community guidelines and there was no issue regarding that. So what exactly was the problem? To that particular problem, Pinterest has responded saying, I took a look and reactivated your account. Sometimes good accounts get caught in the mix and get suspended by mistake. We are sorry that happened. If you have any further trouble, reach out again through our help center. So this is the email that I got from Pinterest, and as I said in the previous video as well, there is a possibility when you go ahead and do a bulk upload. As I was doing a bulk upload, I uploaded some 20 pins at the same time. So Pinterest algorithm went ahead and it reported my profile as a spam. I'm doing some spam kind of a thing. So please go ahead and avoid that in the future and you will be good to go. Alright, so what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story in this particular scenario is that please do not get panicked the way I did. Honestly, I do understand that it's like a Pinterest platform, and I went through the same situation and I panicked as well. But coming from a particular way, like I have got suspended from Quora a couple of times. I have got suspended from Pinterest. This was my first time on Pinterest, so I got a bit panicky. But Quora is something which is a really down factor for me now, because most of these particular bigger social network platforms or search engines, you might say, they go ahead and suspend an account not just with first guess, is what I have learned. So even if you get suspended, please do not get panicked, because until and unless you have not done anything that is for surely wrong. For example, agar tum log aisa hi affiliate, if you go and share your affiliate links without any disclosures, if you do some violating issues which you know that you're doing and you're still gonna continue doing that, of course your account is gonna get blocked. But if you're doing something which you are sure of that it is not something that the account can get suspended, please just be calm and just write an email. It's going to work out. It might be any particular platform. Even if you get suspended on Quora, I have made a different video on Quora, that how do you get unblocked on Quora. And just follow those particular steps. If you haven't checked out that Pinterest video, I'm going to link that particular video at the end of this video. You can check it out. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this channel is all about the digital productivity tools, social media tips, and some fun. So do subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking. Thank you.